Welcome, my friends. Today we're going to draw farm animals. I need you to choose a farm animal of your choice or two farm animals, but I want them big, not tiny, tiny, tiny. I want these big, big animals to be in your paper. And even if it's just the face, it's okay, or the body and the face. So we're going to try to learn how to draw is a pig. A pig is a very oval shape of the body, has an oval head, and the ears are almost like triangles. So we're going to start with the head. I'm going to make a large head. I did tell you it was going to be large. So it's almost like an oval per se. Okay? So we're not going to close the oval yet. We're going to make the nose area. So we're going to make an oval inside an oval. You see that? Okay. And up here we will have our ears, the ears of the pig. So we have an oval for the head, an oval for the nose area. And then the ears are almost like triangles. So we're going to put a point here and a point here. See that? A point and a point. And then another line, almost like a triangle. See that? We're going to close the top part, the head, and we're going to put a line down and a line connecting, almost like a triangle. Two triangles. I know it looks a little weird right now, but I promise it will be looking like a pig. And to make it a little more piggy, let's put the nostrils here so you understand where I'm going. Okay, you got it? Okay. All right, so oval for the head, oval for the nose, two little nostrils, which are ovals, and almost triangles for the ears. Okay? The body. Now that we have the head, the body is going to be a big, giant, almost circular body. So let's go from here. Go. All right. I have a marker, so I'm going to stop in this part, but you can keep going because you have a pencil at home or in the class. And it's so big, but it's circular or like a oval, sort of. All right. So the tail is a curly line like this. We're going to make a curly line. And then the legs are almost like rectangles, but they also look like cylinders. So if it's a rectangle, it's like this. It goes down, and we're going to do a tiny zigzag. Zigzag. See that? Almost a zigzag. Up, like a rectangle. We're going to do other tiny legs here. Tiny rectangles. Tiny really is short. And almost like a zigzag, but not. And then go down, up and down, and go. And you have the legs. We can put the extra little leg here. The extra little leg. All right. So we have our basic shape. Oval for the head, oval for the nostril, the two little holes for the nostril, the triangle looking ears, the little curvy tail that has a loop on it. It's a curve because it's not a straight line. And the big curvy body, which is like a circle or an oval mixed together. The legs were rectangles with an open area here, almost like the beginning of a zigzag. You see that? Okay. All right. So then the eyes, we're going to do two little ovals again. One and two. Look how cute he looks. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. All right. And you have your pig. So this is a pig. Let's label it so we know what it is. And this is, of course, if you chose a pig. Now, chicken. We're going to do a chicken. This is a different paper, by the way. For a chicken, you have a curvy head. Okay, curvy head. You have then the beak. Beak is a point, almost like a triangle with an extra line. You got the beak. And this little thing that hangs from the front. Okay. And the eye, this little eye. and the crest. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can add the extra one if you want it, but they don't have a lot. All right. The body is, I would say, almost like a triangle, but not really. So you'll see. It goes down, up. You see that? Down, up. And then the top is not completely straight, but we're going to make it a little bit straight. A little piece here and straight right there. Boom. All right. So we got the head. Head, circular. Eye could be an oval or a circle. The beak is a triangle, a point. And then the crest has like wavy lines. Wavy, wavy, wavy. And then this bottom part here, whoop, looks like a drop. And then we have the body. The body, I went down, up, and straight across. Okay. All right. The back feathers. The back feathers, 1, 2, 3. They probably have more, but we'll put 3. You see that? They look like fingers, actually. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now the legs. The legs, we have 2 straight lines and 2 straight lines. Okay. Those straight lines then have a connecting triangles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, when you see the whole leg, actually looks like a cylinder. Cylinders are 3-dimensional shape. You see that? Okay. All right. So let's put some feathers on the side for my little chicken. So the feathers on the side, we're going to draw a curved line. You see that? Curved line. And then we're going to draw smaller curves. 1, 2, and 3. See that? I did 3 small curved lines. Here we have 3. Here we have 3 sharp lines over here. Okay? And of course, if you want to put the grass, you can put the grass. Like a zigzag. Alright. I don't know if she's eating, but maybe she is. So this is the chicken. Thank you for watching, my friends.